Hey everyone, it's Fine Ape here. Got a special delivery in the mailbag today. These are from Dog Body. See here, two fairly decent sized packages. And these are actually the pop figurines that I won off his contest that he held, I think it was back in November or so on his YouTube and VidMe channel. For those of you who don't know what VidMe was, it was a non-YouTube video sharing platform until somebody, I'm not going to name names, you know who you are, uploaded about 500 videos and broke the system, but that's not important here. What's important is I got shit to open. So, got my little Gerber razor knife here, so we'll just carefully open these up. That's what every boy and girl needs. Aw. Seriously? Come on. This isn't the fun kind of bubble wrap. It's government bubble wrap. It doesn't pop. So, we'll get the box out of the way. We got all this and... There's Mr. Frank Castle himself, the Punisher. Yeah, I know, fancy. So then, I'll keep talking while I open this. So, you might be wondering, why do I have two boxes here? Well, what Dog did was, the side that got the most growth over the 1 month period, he would pick a grand prize winner, and the grand prize was not only Mr. Frank Castle there, but more bubble wrap. Since they did the opening, or the music for the teaser trailers and all that, got all 4 members of Metallica here. So there you go. That's the my grand prize winnings from Dog Body's contest. Be sure to check him out, and just want to say again, thank you very much, Dog, for sending these. I know that these pops aren't exactly cheap, and especially with shipping being that outrageous, wow. So yeah, go check out Dog Body Official's channel. He does a lot of pro Second Amendment stuff, a lot of stuff about his dogs and that. And I'm not sure if he transferred it over or not. Dog, if you're listening, you need to continue your Church of the Gun or Church of the Second Amendment. I mean, with the St. John Browning and Samuel Colt, I mean, that was some really funny shit, man. So, once again, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Like and subscribe.